This is a 24 pack of Christmas themed clear PVC gift bags and ribbon. I was sent a review from Hanoi, so let me show you a closer look. There are 24 PVC bags in here. The product page shows 4 designs, but I actually got 3. I got 6 of these super cute penguins with a Christmas tree, 6 of these super cute reindeer, and 12 of these snowmen with presents. They are a great compact size, but are gonna hold a lot. They actually have a wide bottom that will be self-standing depending on what you put in them. It's about 3 inches in width. There is a little snap up top in the middle to close it, and very secure handles. Woo! Reinforced, really great quality. The design is just on the front, not on the back, but the color, the clarity, everything is really nicely done. I'm very impressed with these. And they also come with a ribbon, 2 spools. They are not the wire kind, but they're really nice. They're gonna curl and tie and just decorate the little bags so nicely. These are great for Christmas parties, for winter holiday parties, Christmas time birthday party, favor bag, goodie bag, you name it. Your kids can put Christmas gifts to their friends in these. They can just put candy and hand them out to friends. Just really cute. I love these and I know you will too.